stadiums, two continents, and two legacies connected by one sport cricket. The crown of Australia, the Melbourne Cricket Ground, and India's pride, the Narendra Modi Stadium, are not just cricket grounds, they are monuments to history, passion, and undying love for the game. The two largest cricket stadiums in the world, Melbourne Cricket Ground and Narendra Modi Cricket Stadium, stands as symbols of tradition and modernity. Let's embark on a journey to explore the stories, significance, and unique feature of these iconic venues. Melbourne Cricket Ground, located in Melbourne, the city of Australia, it is known affectionately as the G. The Melbourne Cricket Ground is a cornerstone of cricket history. Built in 1853, the MCG has over a 170-year of legacy. There is where cricket legends are born and history is etched into time. Travel back to 1853 when the foundation of the MCG was laid, a dream that evolved into a sanctuary for cricket lovers. The ground hosted the first ever test match between Australia and England in 1877, setting the stage for countless historic moments. The inaugural test is remembered not just for the sport but for its role in establishing Test cricket as a cornerstone of the game. The MCG is not just about cricket, it is a multi-sport venue with a rich history. It served as the main stadium for the Olympics in 1956, where athletes from around the globe competed on this hallowed ground. In 2006, it was the centerpiece for the Commonwealth Games. The stadium's versatility is further highlighted by its role in hosting Australian rules football matches and even concerts featuring global music icons. The MCG has hosted three Cricket World Cup finals in 1992, 2015 and 2022, each one adding another chapter to its storied history. From Pakistan's triumph in 1992 to Australia's dominating victory in 2015, these moments have been etched into the memories of cricket fans worldwide. The iconic Boxing Day Test. One of the most anticipated events in the cricketing calendar is the Boxing Day Test. Held annually on December 26, this match attracts over 1 lakh spectators and millions of viewers globally. It is not just a cricket match, it's a festival that celebrates the cricket's rich heritage. Experience of the G with a seating capacity of over 1 lakh, it offers an electrifying atmosphere from the roar of the crowd to the iconic light tower with illuminate the ground. That's when it's venue that every cricket fan dreams to visit. The National Sport Museum, located within the MCG, adds another layer to the experience, offering a glimpse into Australia's sporting history. Now move to the world's largest stadium in the world, Narendra Modi Cricket Stadium. The journey starts from Sardar Patel Stadium to Narendra Modi Stadium. In 2014, the decision was made to rebuild the stadium on the same site. After the 5 years of construction at a cost of 800 crores, approximately the $94 million, the new venue opened in 2020. In February 2021, it was renamed the Narendra Modi Stadium in honor of India's Prime Minister. The Narendra Modi Stadium is now the world's largest stadium in the world, capable of hosting 132,000 spectators. From hosting thrilling IPL matches to the historic day-night test match against England, it symbolizes India's rising prominence in global cricket. The stadium boasts modern features that set it apart from traditional venues. LED floodlights, energy efficient and designed to enhance visibility. Top-tier locker rooms, equipped with world-class features for players, practice pitches and clubhouse, ideal for training and preparation. Massive parking space accommodates thousands of vehicles. Now move to the main part of every cricket ground. In Melbourne Cricket Ground, the pitch offers a balanced playing field for both bowlers and batsmen. Early in the game, bowlers can exploit the bounce while batsmen gain the upper hand as the pitch ages. This balance makes the MCG a favorite among players for test matches and limited overs games alike. The pitch at Narendra Modi Stadium provides a balanced surface, especially in white ball cricket. Spin bowlers thrive as the ball edges and fans are often treated for high-scoring matches. The black soil pitches offer pace and bounce, while the red soil pitches favor spin and gripping encounters. This unique combination ensures that every match played here is a spectacle. The MCG is a symbol of Australia's love for the sports. It has been a venue where generations have come together to celebrate their passion for cricket. Beyond the boundaries of the ground, it represents Australia's sporting culture and its deep connection to the game. Narendra Modi Stadium is a symbol of modern India. The Narendra Modi Stadium pointed towards the dominance of India in cricket. It is not just a cricket ground but a statement of India's growing influence in the world of sports. The stadium has become a cultural landmark, attracting fans and tourists from across the globe. Both stadiums are remarkable in their own way. The MCG exudes history and tradition, while the Narendra Modi Stadium showcases size and modern innovation. Together, they inspire millions of sports fans worldwide. These venues are more than just structures. They are where dreams come true, history is made, and memories are created. So, which one would you like to visit? The historic MCG or the inspiring Narendra Modi Stadium?